Hello, Victor here with RestoringMercedes.com. So now I'm pretty much will be finishing with this car and just show a quick operation on the roof. Hasn't been started in a long time actually. Door locks. Now for door locks, I set it so all the door locks open at once. That door lock is hissing. The one on the right. The door lock, the trunk lock works. That's fine. I'll look up at any kind of moisture. There was some rains. Feels dry to me. Yeah, that's now. Oh yeah, a little bit here. See, there's a little bit of water still coming in. I don't know. Maybe it's just dripped right now. I put a couple of zip ties here just to hold this handle together because handle has a little crack to it. Now the door locking pump itself was put in the bag, double bag. The pump is here for the roof. That is that. Nothing much really done here. Just secured the battery with a bracket. That is that. Yeah. Okay. Soft close. The actuator is also repaired. There is a little bit of friction here when the trunk tilts backwards, touches the headlights. I mean the tail lights, I'm sorry. As you can see, white marks. So yeah, that's where they have some slight contact. I mean, never really went into looking. I mean, never went into looking exactly why, but nonetheless, it is what it is. So, to start the car, hasn't been started at least a week. Starts right up. I repaired the radio. Set place. And obviously the roof operation, you know. So, piston resealed. Let's do the roll bar first. That's a roll bar. Obviously it works. Roof operation. And here is our roof operation. It is complete. So again, ABC system was converted to coilovers, so therefore we have an error. But lined up. All of these drains have to be all cleaned up. Good stuff. All of this lined up. Flaps repaired, both readjusted a couple of times. Actually, I had to do it. Lift up of the roof inside the trunk also works, so you can get access to the trunk area. Obviously, lowers down. That's all good. Shocks were replaced also, but not by me. They're just new shocks. Soft close on the trunk also works. I'm running the car because it gives me more power for roof operation, because that pump takes a lot of power to activate all this roof. And we're gonna close it. Windows close. Everything follows up. So, and that's basically all that I'm doing with this car for now. That's enough for now. Later on, maybe, but right now, that's what it is. Now, the areas of interest, definitely engine mounts, spark plugs, to be replaced because the vibration is unbearable. It runs, but the engine is laying down there flat out, like just flat. That's number one thing. Air conditioner, I refilled the air conditioner, so we'll see how that is going to go, because it was basically nothing there. So I refilled it, and let's see how long it takes. If it leaks out, how long it takes for the AC to leak out. That is the area of interest. We have the door lock in this door hissing, so there are definitely issues there. But it works for now, so I'll let it be. Window regulators are fine. I don't know what's going on here, to be honest with you. I never even took a look. The clips are broken on this. I see. So yeah, the clips are broken, so I don't know. It's you know, the switch works, but clips, I don't know. It's just like the way it came, like this. So okay, that is something to deal with. Interior door locks, I'm sure they don't really work right. The glove box does not open. Kind of feels like it wants to, but you can hear the click. You push it, you hear the click when you close it. So it's like, it feels like it wants to unlock. I don't know why it's not opening, but again, nonetheless, I was not asked to deal with that. The roof only has one clip remain here. The corner clips I glued. There was one screw missing on the front, and there's some glue that was there. I put in some clips in this roof panel. This wasn't me, this was like that. Try to clean it. Actually, it was worse, but I don't want to go extremely harsh on it because I can discolorate the actual panel. So yeah, so somebody worked on this thing, and back there in the back you can see that the clips were all glued, and that glue is still there. It's terrible. See, this one is also kind of like iffy a bit, but nonetheless it'll be okay. Yeah, seats work. Climate control works, like I said. Yeah, this thing is falling in. The seat control, it's probably clips behind that seat control. It still works, but it's kind of like in there. You know, small little things. The back pieces are all fine. Oh yeah, I just noticed. There's the cover that's supposed to go inside to cover fuse box. Fuse box is nice and tight, no problems. Let's see. Gotta go this way. Close the fuse box. There it goes. Okay. Yeah. All right. So, and that's about it. Transmission shifts good. Suspension is quiet. Car tracks straight. That is a good thing. Like I said, engine mounts, transmission mount, spark plugs because slight misfire, maybe some vacuum leaks, but that's just like later on because engine is quite clean. Always keep the window open when I leave the car with the keys inside the car. The engine looks pretty clean. Belt looks good. This whole engine bay looks pretty clean actually. So no errors, but again, spark plugs, the wires, there are no oil leaks, and that's really good. But the engine mounts, they're like, you know, dead. All right, AC, oof, brutally cold. So maybe it was just low on Freon, but it was refilled, and now it's cold again. All right, so I think we did good on this. Did good on this car, and I reinflated all the tires because they were a little low. So yeah, we did good on this, and it can be enjoyed over the summer, spring, summer, maybe later on. These small little things can be taken care of. All right, so this is all from me. Victor here, RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.